Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, first of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, I'll be doing something different and cooking something different. Today, I'll be frying some tilapia. I had brought 3 nice whole tilapia. I cut them up. My wife helped cut them up and everything, clean them and everything. So I say, I'm gonna try these in the electric fryer. My electric fryer is right here. So we'll be doing this together today. See how crispy they come out and grease free. Also, I'll be using some seasoning salt, some chicken powder, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. I'll be doing it right here, seasoning it up, getting it together and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start putting a little seasoning on it now and put it just like this. You know, when you put it in there, most of the season gonna come off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some black pepper. Put some black pepper on there like this. Get it nice and good. Some garlic powder, just like this. Season that up, put the season on it. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm just sprinkle some of this on just like this chicken powder like this. Get it nice and good, put a little more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just flip it over and I'm gonna get this backside nice and good. Flip it just like that. This right here is gonna be so easy. Just like that. Put the black pepper on this backside like this. This is gonna be delicious. Just like that. Put a little garlic powder on there. Get a pinch of this, put on it. This chicken powder, and I'm gonna let this sit while my grease is getting hot and everything. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get this fish up just like this and sit it in here like that. Just sit it in there nice and good. Sit it in there like that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna sit it in here, let it cover everything. It's gonna be delicious. Let that fry, we'll be looking at this together. Okay, as you see, it's cooking nice and good. It's been 4 minutes. I'm gonna take a look at it. As you see, it's coming out good and everything. I'm gonna sit that back in, let it cook a couple more minutes. Okay, as you see, it's looking good and everything. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this one out and let it sit for a minute like that. It's been 7 minutes altogether for this first batch. So I'm gonna let that dry off. Okay, as you see, the first batch is looking nice and good and everything. So I'm gonna start frying the other ones, put it in so it can get fried. Put it in like that. And I'm gonna do one of these at a time because this is a small fryer. Put it in. Okay, we're gonna look at this one right here. As you see, it's cooking good. This one just about done and everything. So I'm just gonna take it out like this and let it sit out for a minute. The last one right here, so I'm gonna get it out and put it with the rest of them. As you see, it's done. So I'm gonna just take it out like this and put it right here. Okay, this right here is the fish that we fried, and it's looking nice and good. It's nice and brown and everything, and that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell, and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching.